Hey, Don. I told you your ugly is gonna set the line. And there's also heat sensors. You know, basically, electrical fire starts it up before it's smoke.
Behind this shit, but they'll put other people in front to make it seem like it's dead. But really, they're setting all of it up. Niggas, man, crisis came up.
Hey.
Look, crisis. Hey, man, get y'all ass the fuck out of here.
Yeah. Squirrels plotting to get us.
He just did it like,
All these people out here.
crazy. That's funny though.
Everybody, man. Everybody, man.
Just everything. Just chill out.
Reduce no more.
Man, we can't, you know we can't get them.
Who's responsible?
As soon as you start walking over by the gutter, he'll leave.
You just look at it like,
Anybody want to battle me? What's up? That's what I'm talking, man. Soft, you niggas soft like butter. Y'all niggas soft like butter, man. Unite, not fight each other. And man, I already came here already knowing I have to concentrate on these niggas. Cause I gotta let them know, man. Hey, man, I was.
Well, last night was fun. Last night was fun, wasn't it? With the burnt popcorn.
getting my shit before I fucking go to the shower. And if I go and take a shower, I'm gonna get my shit when I get out. I ain't waiting till no fucking 8 o'clock.
But yeah, that popcorn thing that woke us all up last night. Still haven't recovered from it.
Probably one hello today. They're not all riled and wild.
But then again, what's his face was out there yelling, so I don't know if he got in. So how's your security squirrel?
My security school?
Your security squirrel. You know the squirrel that was sitting there watching us?
He had nothing to report. He went back to the nut house.
Ah. What are you talking about? Aren't we in the nut house right now?
Close the door. Let's see.
And then between you but air, security squad.
Well, I'm hoping you guys enjoyed the video without what's-his-face. I don't know if you noticed, he wasn't in today's video. Jose Jalapeno on a sticker. Anyway, yeah. So, he's definitely going to be gone the rest of the night. I don't know how much footage I'm going to get with him tomorrow. So, whatever happens, happens. If I get nothing with him tomorrow, then he should be back by Monday. Let's just put it that way.
I've had it all along my life. Well, it's only a little grown when you get certain lines that start going in on the edge.
Yeah.
It's always been that way all my life.
Yeah. Aren't they supposed to be somewhat easily fixed? Ingrown toenails.
Just keep the nose, the toenails trimmed. It's just the way it grows. It's like you got more, you got a better toe or something. That one than it just. Yeah, baby. Mom cat just like whatever.
At least it's not what happened when Eric's tried taking one of the kitties. When he picked up the kitten and walked around with it, and the mom thought he was taking the kitty away from her.
Oh me?
Mm.
Yeah. She had a fit at me about that. She was worried. She was a worried mama, that's for sure. And I'm like, feed the cat. What are you doing? I thought the introduction was funny though.
Huh.
Had to come running in there like, they see the kittens, they're all like, kids are just like, what do we do? What? Mom's like, hey, what's up? It was actually a dog. Dog's all like, whoa, whoa.